another place, another city, another country. This time I am in the beautiful city of Berlin in Germany, and I'm with my lovely friend Tracey, who you know. Oh, you can see us there. So this vlog's going to be slightly different because I'm using my DJI Osmo Pocket, which I got for Christmas from my lovely parents, and it's the first time I'm using it actually for an actual travel vlog. As I say, I've never used this one before, so we'll see how that goes. Right, we are on our way to, I'm going to try and find or make our way to Paris-Platz. I don't know how you, I can't do German, so forgive the pronunciations, but we're on our way to Paris-Platz, which is where we start our walking tour for the day, our first full day here in Berlin. But along the way we're hoping to find somewhere for breakfast and a lovely cup of coffee. So I've got my trusty Google Maps, and we're about 14 odd minute walk away from Paris-Platz. I just need to find breakfast coffee shop somewhere if we can. It's a beautiful day here in Berlin, Saturday morning, but it is absolutely freezing. I have no gloves, I have no scarf, I'm wearing one layer underneath my jacket. Who does that? Tracey, on the other hand, is very warm. I don't know about that. Well, warmer than me. Anyway, let's oh, careful. See you at the coffee shop if we can find one. We've just had breakfast at that bike coffee shop along Wilhelmstrasse, I think it's called. I'll put a link down below so that you guys know where to find it. Really cool place actually. So it's a bike shop that is a coffee shop at the same time. And Tracey had the pancakes with bacon and maple syrup, which was delish. I tried a little bit. And I had the smashed avocado on toast with poached egg and salmon, which was also very lovely. Right, so breakfast is over and we're heading our way to Paris-Platz to start our walking tour. So we found our tour guides, and they're the ones in the I don't know if you can see this, but the red umbrella behind me. They're the English speakers. There's quite a few of them dotted around Brandenburg, Spanish, English, and I'm guessing German as well. But yeah, so this is where the tour starts, the free walking tour. And you get a little ticket with a number on it, and they put you in groups apparently, so I can get mine. Put my number. And it kicks off at dead on 10, so we're just waiting for that to start. But in the meantime, there's the gate behind me.
Of the street was this flag that I'm going to miss very much. That's West Berlin. There's a great museum here called the Scratchy. It's the location historically of the Gestapo and the SS. People forgot about that because when tourists came to Berlin, they wanted to see the wall. They forgot that the SS were based here. These are the people directly responsible for the extermination and concentration camps, the Holocaust. And incredibly, there's a free museum all about this sensitive subject.
So, Checkpoint Charlie behind me, and we're literally over a 5-minute walk from Checkpoint Charlie to the hotel that we're at, which is called the GAT Hotel Checkpoint Charlie, or GAT Checkpoint Charlie Hotel. Either way, I'll leave a link down below which you can click on and book via booking.com, which is where I pretty much book most of my accommodation whenever I go away on holiday. So yes, let me flip the camera around and you can see the green hotel over there is, or the green lights should I say, is where we're staying. This is it, Hotel GAT Checkpoint Charlie. And we enter. This is the lift. And we're back in the hotel. This is around 5:30, 5:45 now. And we're going to rest up before we meet up with our friend Michael. One of the local watering holes around here in Checkpoint Charlie. So yeah, we're going to rest up, so we'll see you in a mo. Morning guys! So it's our last full day here in Berlin. We are going to find a coffee shop before we go to our lunch reservation near the river. So last night, obviously didn't take you guys with me. We basically met with a local Berliner. Actually, he's from Bavaria, but he's been living in Berlin for the last 5 or so years. So it's nice to meet up with a local, talk about Berlin, what there is to see and do, just talk about travelling in general. Like we shared some common interests, and that was it really. That was in the Mitte district, in a bar. We met in a bar called Aufsturz. I'll put a link below. Me and German pronunciations just don't go together. But I'll put a link below so that you know which bar we went to. Had a few beers. Tracey had some lovely Spanish wine. Yeah, no, it's great. And we just pretty much talked all evening and then headed home, or back to our hotel. But this morning we are going to walk towards the river again. It was quite a long walk, but today we can just stroll and enjoy the beautiful sunshine, as you can see. Beautiful. This is all we have from Berlin, and what a great weekend it has. We had the great weather, great food, great company, great people here in Berlin. Absolutely knackered. We pretty much walked for the most part to see the city. After lunch we ended up taking a bus tour to take us around some of the other bits that we didn't have a chance to see, so around Alexanderplatz, most of East Berlin, and we are now walking making our way back to our hotel. So as we're walking back, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. We have an early flight to catch tomorrow. The flight is at 7 AM and it's straight to the office for me. So I just want to say thank you guys for joining me. It's been a glorious weekend and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And do a free walking tour with Sandemans because it's highly worth it. If you like the vlog, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you again in the next vlog. Until then, cheers!